Welcome to the project of GSM GPS based vehicle tracking along with ignition controlling system by using Arduino Uno. So in this project the main input modules to the Uno board is GPS and IO module, input and output parallel is GSM, and output modules are DC motor. To the driver we are going to control the DC motor, and a 16:2 LCD is the output module. And coming to the inputs, so when we switch on this kit, the PIC microcontroller initially will establish the connection from the GSM modem, and next it will establish the connection with the GPS, and then it will switch on this DC motor. So here we are representing the DC motor as ignition, and LCD display will show the status of the situation. So here whenever we want to switch on the control this ignition, just we need to send a SMS of stop. All are small letters like STOP stop, and then this GSM will receive the message and it will be decoded and by the Arduino Uno, and it will switch off this ignition and will reply the message like in this format along with the latitude and longitude values, and the status will be displayed on the LCD display. Coming to the connection wise, so we interface the GPS module at the 10th pin of the Uno board, and the GSM with 0 and 1 basic hardware serial communication pins, and a 2 to 7 to the 16:2 LCD display, and a 12th pin to this DC motor to control that. So coming to this driver, so here we are using a transistor as a switch in order to on and off this DC motor. And here the potentiometer is a contrast controlling purpose. So here we are using 103 potentiometer, and a GSM module is a SIM 800A module, and the GPS is NeoPixel GPS, Neo 06 GPS module, and Arduino Uno with Atmega 328P. So once we provide the power supply, there will be a welcome message on this LCD display, as we can see that, and it will start initializing that. Once the GSM connection is established, so and then it will establish the connection with the GPS. Yeah, right. So after getting the GPS values, the GPS was ready. So for demonstration we should place this kit under the sky view only, then only the GPS will get the satellite signal and it will provide the present location values, as a GPS will provide the PVT, position velocity time. So as you can see that, so I'll show you from starting again. So initially the motor in off position, once everything was initialized like GSM, GPS, and then as we discussed, the motor will getting switched on automatically. And in order to control this ignition, we need to send a message of small stop, small letters and stop. After that, yeah, you can see that there will be two indications, LED as well as a DC motor. So now we are going to send the message of stop, all are small letters, yeah, small characters, just send stop. So once a message sent from the mobile phone, so there will be a display of location and the motor will automatically switch it off after message sent successfully. Right. So we got the message of vehicle ignition off, location is and latitude and values, please take some action. Now go to the maps and paste those latitude and longitude values. So here what we got is from this message, so we should just place a space after 17 and a 06H and then enter directly. In this format we need to enter in the maps, just enter. Right, so it will show you the exact location where we are, the mobile phone location as well as the GPS location will be sent. Thank you for watching demo.